This is why banks will use XRP. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we're going to discuss what Ripple XRP is and why it differs from the majority of other cryptos in the market and what features make it banks' favorite. But before we start the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
Want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Ripple is a San Francisco-based company that offers blockchain-based software solutions to banks. They have a decentralized network known as RTXP, Ripple Transaction Protocol, which can be used for cross-border currency transfers. Ripple is also the name of the currency of this network and the cryptocurrency that is traded in the market under the ticker XRP. While Bitcoin, Ether, and hundreds of other cryptocurrencies are trying to disrupt traditional financial institutions with the help of blockchain technology, Ripple offers a solution that could revolutionize the existing services. Ripple offers two main products for cross-border payments, xCurrent and xRapid. The longest available product and also the most adopted product is xCurrent. xCurrent is a global real-time cross-settlement system that enables participants to message, clear, and settle transactions. And the speed of the settlement is disrupting the existing solutions on the market, such as SWIFT, with which a payment settles in a few days on average. This disruption and the praise from customers is often interpreted to be enough. When a settlement can happen in seconds without XRP, why would it be used at all? Because it is cheaper and faster to settle payments with XRP than fiat exchange pairs. If two banks have Nostro Vostro arrangements, xCurrent can change balances on both ends in seconds. And since xCurrent is built on top of an Interledger protocol, they can exchange FX rates in real time. xRapid is made to eliminate the need for these accounts. Instead, it sources liquidity from the market, buying XRP for fiat at one end of the payment, only to sell it for fiat at the other end. This technology opens several new opportunities. Further savings on payments, allowing for even smaller international payments with minimal fees. Sending funds in otherwise illiquid or very expensive corridors, aka exotic corridors. Opening the market for new businesses, eliminating the need to establish Nostro Vostro accounts and compete with established players from day one. XRP is volatile, as are all other cryptocurrencies. Fiat is volatile too, over long time periods. In Nostro Vostro relationships, banks are exposed to exchange rate fluctuations over a long period, and in some currencies, the risk is too high for banks even to enter. There is no need for banks to hold XRP, as xRapid does not work by holding XRP, but by buying and selling it in as short a period of time as possible. An average xRapid payment takes minutes, so the window of volatility is minimal. This short window is made possible by the speed XRP can settle on the XRP ledger that is currently scaling to about 1,500 transactions per second, closing a new ledger every 4 seconds. The only reason for banks to hold XRP would be to participate as an exchange service between XRP and fiat. This would involve hedging the volatility of XRP. This scenario is not much different from Nostro's, where they have to manage volatility for fiat currencies using derivatives. Stablecoins are most often tokens issued on the Ethereum blockchain, where payments typically settle in 10 to 15 minutes, or longer depending on the number of confirmations required and network activity. This extends the volatility window, but since stablecoins are less volatile than XRP, they are pegged to a fiat currency, this is not the major issue. In fact, in some corridors, where the market liquidity is better than XRP and fiat pairs, it might be a better option than XRP. XRP, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others, is not issued by anyone and is not representing any value other than its own. When moving these around, value is moved around. When a stablecoin is moved, value is not moved, only the promise of value. The issue then comes down to a question of trust. Any pegged currency is always as volatile as the currency is to peg to, issued by a third party as an IOU for real fiat. One of the great achievements of blockchain compared to fiat is a move from a system based on trust to a trustless environment. If the issue of a stable coin is hacked, goes bankrupt, dishonest, or is government sanctioned in some way, the promised value of the stablecoin is changed and can leave it worthless. These fears are met by auditing and increased transparency, but it is not eliminating the trust, only pushing it around. Still, IOUs serve a great purpose, as they provide some of the benefits of blockchain to fiat, such as movability and trading with cryptocurrencies. Even the XRP ledger's built-in decentralized exchange is based on IOUs. But to trade an IOU, a trust line has to be established, reminding the trader, do you trust the issuer of this IOU? A central bank digital currency is also a stable coin, but instead of trusting a third party, the trust is placed with the same issuer as the fiat it is pegged to. Whether any stablecoin is a good alternative to XRP for settlement depends on the same parameters as fiat. Is the corridor liquid? Or in other words, are there market makers and takers enough at the ends of the transaction? CBDCs will essentially be the same financial model as the current systems. It is merely a digital equivalent of a paper financial instrument. To even debate whether or not XRP is a real cryptocurrency, we have to establish a definition of cryptocurrency first. We can summarize these definitions in these: 1. Encryption techniques, cryptography to verify transactions. 2. Decentralized system. 3. No central issuing or regulating authority. All of these apply to XRP. The root to this common misconception is probably that where other blockchains use proof of work, proof of stake through mining to verify transactions and ensure decentralization of the network by rewards of unlocking new blocks, the XRP ledger is using a consensus mechanism, and there is no rewards for participants. But why do all the banks love XRP so much? Here are the reasons. Cost of payment. The distributed approach adopted by Ripple, along with its global network, can enable faster and simpler cross-border payments, offering real-time certainty for every settlement. Apart from this, banks can also benefit from liquidity management and efficient processing capabilities with the help of products offered by Ripple. The most important benefit of the Ripple as a currency is the elimination of middlemen for cross-border transactions. This helps cut out all the costs related to sending money electronically. For example, if you wish to send money to someone through PayPal, the recipient would be charged 3% of the amount as a processing fee. But with Ripple, the recipient pays only 0.00001 XRP as security for the transaction. Speed of payment. As well as eliminating high fees for cross-border currency transfers, Ripple performs amazingly in terms of transaction speeds. It can settle payments in just 4 seconds. Bank currencies take around 3 to 5 days for the same. Ethereum processes transactions in a little over 2 minutes, and Bitcoin takes more than 1 hour to process a single transaction. Compare this to the supersonic speed of 4 seconds, and it's not difficult to imagine why banks love Ripple. Scalability. Ripple can handle 1,500 transactions per second. This can be done 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In fact, this is only a fraction of its actual potential. The network can be scaled to handle 50,000 transactions every second. This again is a major leap when compared to Ethereum, which can execute 15 transactions in a second, and Bitcoin, which can perform only up to 6 in a second. Stability. Another big advantage of Ripple is its stability. Unlike most other digital currencies, Ripple has a successful track record of more than 5 years. Over the years, the technology has worked efficiently. Since its introduction, all Ripple ledgers have closed without any problems. And as we said earlier, xCurrent, this is Ripple's flagship product, which enables efficient cross-border payments, while the product uses RTXP. It doesn't use XRP. xRapid. This can be used by banks to improve liquidity when they trade in emerging markets. This product uses XRP, and some banks avoid this as it introduces a certain degree of XRP volatility. xVIA. This is the newest offering from Ripple. xVIA is similar to xCurrent, the difference being that it can be used by payment providers as well as corporations to transfer money. This too does not use XRP. Expensive cross-border payments have come into the limelight after the threat of blockchain disrupting legacy banks. Ripple can lower this cost while also offering faster and more reliable transactions. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back again with some other cool videos on topics like this. Until then, goodbye.